almost heaven, West Virginia.
Morning, guys. Just woke up. But right now it's so beautiful. It's the sunrise. It's the next day and we're having breakfast.
Yeah. Hi, we're making breakfast right now.
This is good.
We are making pork belly with bagel and cream cheese.
Just like this, if you don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Baby, say hi.
Johnny?
All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky.
Can you say Dia Kalai?
Hi. Yeah, Clyde.
Ooh, good one. Nico, say Imi halo saya hela. And now you translate that into English.
West Virginia,
Everybody.
take me home.
What is everybody doing?
Good job. Oh my god. Yeah, that's everybody doing. Oh, like, what's up, guys? That's what it meant.
Oh.
Imi halo saya hela. What's up, guys?
Voice in the morning hour, she
But
calls
when
me.
Hollow say that,
Radio reminds me.
Yeah, exactly. What's up? Like, what do you guys have to? Yeah.
I think about when I think about it,
It's okay.
I listen to a lot of music, so I understand what they're saying. But
That's good. You can't really say it. Yeah. Among you guys, who speaks Tetum better? Angelina and Imelda? Oh, wow.
Makes me nervous and I can't say a word.
Okay, Imelda, are you proud of yourself that your Tetum is pretty good? And how did you learn that?
Back then, my Tetum was the same. Like I understand, but I can't speak it fluently. But then in Binaida, like stays with us,
And you guys got to speak more.
and then it's
Right.
like just speak it, like wrong or right, just speak it.
And Joe, how is your Tetum? How is your Tetum? Okay, can you say
Dia Kala. What's Dia Kala?
Moko mo Korea na fai.
How are you?
Can you say that?
What are you doing?
No.
What?
Oh my
What are
god,
you doing?
really?
In Tetum? Hey, nobody can understand that.
Oh, okay. So your Tetum is pretty good.
The next
Good.
No.
Congratulations to
So
you.
you guys speak
Now
the same
That's it.
language.
That's why he's my nephew.
Oh,
And Johnny, can you say something in Tetum?
Johnny.
Dia Kala.
Ooh, what does that mean?
The other one is smaller. I mean, how are you?
He has to look at his sister. Oh, that's funny. Okay, good job, Johnny. Bele sai mane phone timor. What does that mean? Bele sai mane phone timor ona.
Huh?
That's what it meant. Mane phone timor.
Money for Timor.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm teaching my American friends how to speak beautiful Tetum.
There ain't no gold.
Yeah. Say bye.
Hello, ready?
ready, I'm ready.
Successfully paid everything? Good?
I'm ready.
No penalty? Awesome. Hello, Maria. You did? Hike, hike, hike. Let's go.
Welcome to Harpers Ferry.
Time now. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the only one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the only one.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys going? Hi, baby, baby. You strong? Cause I got you. Love you. This so, siblings love. Okay, continue. Hello, baby. Oh, you're so strong. Yo! Oh my God, I'm falling. Oh, look at the view, so beautiful.
I should get myself a shirt that says shoes are overrated. Yeah. I was really worried to stub my toe somewhere. I'm just glad there's no more bugs going in my mouth.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm the one, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the only one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the only one.
This view, I don't know how to express my feelings and my thoughts anymore. I can only feel it. I can only feel it. Like, I can feel it. You guys feel it yourself. Right? We made it. We made it. It was worth it. After 50 minutes to an hour.
Hike back down, go get the dress, hike back up.
You can just wear that skirt and like a cute white top.
Yeah, I feel like
Be like an athletic one.
oh, we can have a like a private jet. Drop us off.
So what's the
Jump
budget?
out of a parachute in here.
Oh my goodness, this is way too beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God, I cannot believe this.
Yeah.
Bro, teaching bro how to pose. I got it. Nice. Photographer for this model. Oh my God. Busy taking pictures, guys.
Look at the bird.
Oh,
Parachute?
parachute.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that would save us the hike.
Yeah, I need that. I need that.
That is sick. Look at that. dangerous.
Oh my god!
Dude, I need to get your phone. I swear.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
I have more.
You make me look skinny. Oh,
This is Tata.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope.
bye. Bye to this beautiful place.
La mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta, da un saco duro, no te canses ahora, que esto solo empieza, mueve la cabeza, da un saco duro, la mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta, da un saco duro, no te canses ahora, que esto solo empieza, mueve la cabeza, da un saco duro. ¿Quién puede domar la fuerza del mar que se mete por tu pena? Lo caliente del sol que se te metió y no te deja quieta, nena. ¿Quién puede parar eso que al bailar descontrola tus caderas? Y ese fuego que quema por dentro y lento te convierte en piedra. Con la mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude duro. No te quites ahora, que esto solo empieza. Mueve la cabeza y sacude duro para sacar la locura.
What an ending we were in.
Quiero ver ese futuro para sacar la locura. Morena, vaya a mi lado, que vaya pegado. Hoy, 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 hoy. Es pa' quebrar con duro, vamos a danzar con duro. Hoy, 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 hoy. Seja morena, loira, vem pra
Hi guys.
duro. Hoy,
Everybody's food arrived.
No bread. Gotta eat.
Mine's coming soon.
They didn't take her order, guys. Sorry, I didn't take your order.
The famous ice cream, guys. Creamy Creations. Yum. This is the line. This is what the line looks like. If you guys come to West Virginia, you guys will have to try this ice cream.
All of my life I've been searching for some who got me excited. Find my full fancy. I never thought we could work it out. Looking at hindsight, now I seems right, but I was so wrong. Your mind's so strong, it all happened like magic. I'm intoxicated and now I'm on. Ooh, baby, you're the one I really want.